Hi everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3-side solved and the other 3 are scrambled. We have to start with a solved cube, so let me get a solved cube. So you start this with a solved cube and you can position the cube any way you like and you perform the following algorithm. Let's start with yellow on top. It's just the way you prefer it, but U inverted, D, L2, 1, 2, U, B2, 1, 2, D2, 1, 2, B2, 1, 2, D2, 1, 2, and a left, F inverted, U, D inverted, R, U inverted, F2, 1, 2, L, F inverted, and finally a B inverted. And 3 scrambled sides and 3 solved sides. Super nice and easy trick, easy to scramble your cube, but also super nice to show it solved. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this trick to impress your friends. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.